Why a magician can pull a tablecloth without moving the dishes, why airbags save lives, or why that last rep at the gym feels impossible. All of these mysteries are explained by just three letters: F equals to ma. This is Newton's second law, and it might be the most practical formula hiding in plain sight. At its core, the law is simple: force equals mass times acceleration. That means two things. The heavier something is, the more force you need to move it. And the faster you want it to move, the more force you need too. Sounds straightforward, but once you start looking, you will see this law everywhere. Take the tablecloth trick. The dishes don't move because the pull happens so quickly that they barely have time to accelerate. Big mass, tiny acceleration window. Result: almost no force on the dishes. Or think about self-driving cars. Every time a Tesla brakes, it's calculating F equals to ma. The system knows the car's mass and speed, then works out the exact force needed to stop safely. So Newton is literally built into the software. At the gym, it's the same story. A light dumbbell moves easily. Add heavy plates, and suddenly your muscles need to generate far more force to get the same acceleration. That's why the last rep feels like a mountain. And airbags. They save lives by stretching out the stopping time in a crash. By lowering acceleration, they lower the force your body feels. One simple formula, countless lives saved. So Newton's second law isn't just a classroom equation. It's the secret behind magic tricks, modern technology, fitness, and even life-saving safety features. Once you start noticing it, you will see F equals to ma everywhere. So guys, if this video gave you a fresh way of seeing physics, tap like button and subscribe, and drop a comment about which other formulas you would love me to uncover next. Because the universe is full of mysteries, and every mystery has a formula.